Store's closed today. I'll meet you at your place tomorrow. Drive, Jeeves. Okay, freak. How much is that?
Well, I can give it to you for 65.
50.
I can't. My mom won't let me. Okay. Two, no.
What's the deal with your mom?
Someone stole my Claire and my car.
Look, I am sure that they'll be back tonight.
Dude, she keeps you locked up. No, she doesn't. Well, let me at least sit on your face if you're gonna go all Pinocchio on me.
Gross. Do you need a lift?
That would be great, yeah.
I think she's pooing, but I'll be real quick.
What are we doing here?
We're having an adventure!
Welcome to the full moon party.
Morning.
Hello, you're handsome.
Oh, I'm Hal.
I'm Danielle. This is Claire.
We're girls.
We're all traveling down this lonely road.
What did you do?
Nothing.
That's bullshit. You know, he really liked me, okay?
When we expect too much out of life, we get smacked by disappointment.
Dear Lord, this adventure's confusing, but I know it's part of your plan.
I have no idea what I'm doing. It's two of us.
This world alone.
Room 3, no smoking.
Oh, we're clean living.
Yeah. That's what they all say. Then I find a condom lodged in my neighbor's cat.